Hello everyone, I'm Vikram P. Maduri here. I'm a software architect and welcome to Softech. And in this session, we're going to discuss about the basics of artificial intelligence, what exactly is artificial intelligence, and what will be the future of it, if at all, if you get into this field. So if at all, if you are looking for artificial intelligence trainings or machine learning or deep learning or data science trainings, you can contact us at info@jsoftech.com, or you can WhatsApp us at 7842000555. Now, what is artificial intelligence? So, artificial intelligence is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. So they are equipped, the machines would be equipped with intelligence to take decisions just like humans. So some of the activities that computers with artificial intelligence can do or perform is like speech recognition, learning, planning, and problem solving are some of the areas. So, artificial intelligence, when a machine can think and take decisions like humans, is what artificial intelligence is all about. So, when we talk about the artificial intelligence, the next big revolution in computing, so this is something which is what one of the prestigious software companies in the world, Intel, says that this would be the next big thing. So it's not just Intel. You take any of the topmost companies in the world, they would highly recommend you to go for artificial intelligence, because that's the future. So artificial intelligence is basically had taken its place from 1950s. Even though people got to know about about artificial intelligence in 1950s, they got to know about that as a superficial kind of a term, where people used to think about artificial intelligence as something which HAL 9000, they think about HAL 9000 aircraft or spacecraft, or they might think about a video game, non-player characters, or something like spam filters or something like that. So, but when it comes to the latest advances in artificial intelligence can be used in every sector of our daily day-to-day life, and in any of the industries. So it's used for sense, it's used for reasoning, it's used for making an action of a particular process, or adapt based on the experiences. So we have the big data concept, and then we have the neural networks concept, which we are going to discuss in the next sessions. So artificial intelligence got into existence in, even though in 1950s, it caught up people's attention in 1980s. Before that, it was a fancy name, like using artificial intelligence is like some kind of a machines coming and fighting with humans, something like that. But this is not something which exactly that. So we are going to discuss about what exactly artificial intelligence can do into our life in the next sessions. But we also have a subset of artificial intelligence is machine learning, and in machine learning we also have something called deep learning, which is the latest advancements that we have been seeing from after 2010. So 1950s to 1980s, we had just had that imaginary word in the minds of people, like it's artificial intelligence is something which is a future thing. And 1980s machine learning came into existence, and like people started applying that artificial intelligence into machine learning. And then now in 2000, after 2010, the most buzzword is the deep learning. We're going to discuss about the deep learning for sure in the next coming sessions. And yeah, so artificial intelligence can be in any of our day-to-day life, and I'm going to discuss about this in coming sessions. And artificial intelligence can create perspective, it can understand languages and its nonsenses, it can learn from experience. So artificial intelligence enabled systems can learn from experience. Artificial intelligence enabled systems can solve complex problems, and uses the learning to reason, and recognizes images. and it can also convert a language, one language to another language. It can do a lot of things, which anything that we can imagine of a process. So areas of focus for firms looking for AI opportunities are data science, business intelligence, health plans and patient care, computer vision, speech recognition, aerospace and defense, natural language processing, and entertainment. And evolution of AI in the from 1950s. So we had a couple of conferences at that time, and there were many advancements. But Facebook detects faces and shares photos with the friends whom those photos belong to. This one of the latest advancements which happened after 2010. So there are there are many things that have been happening in the AI space, which we are going to discuss in the coming sessions. So artificial intelligence, what exactly it can do is it can make systems autonomous, and it can enable us to go for machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, pattern recognition, language processing, chatbots. You can chat with the machine directly, and the machine can respond to you according to what exactly you are chatting. And not just that, you can talk to the system, and the system can reply you back in your same language. So that is also an artificial intelligence which Google has recently launched. So real-time emotion analytics, virtual companions, uh, yeah. So real-time universal translation, thought control gaming, next generation cloud robotics, autonomous surgical robotics, robotic personal assistance, cognitive cybersecurity, and neuromorphic computing. For all this, the center of concentration is the artificial intelligence, which can never be ignored in the future for sure. So the current AI wave is poised to finally break through. So till 2017, it was a very modest figure, but it's going to be multiplied in many folds in the future. So it's like in 2016, companies invested around 26 billion and to 39 billions, and it's going to multiply price in the future. So 20% of AI aware firms say that they are going to be the adapters for sure. So 41% of firms say they are uncertain about the benefits of AI, but most of them are getting to know about the benefits of AI very fast. So most of the companies who adopt AI are like digitally matured companies, large businesses, adopt adapt AI in core activities and adapt multiple technologies. I mean, like they focus on growth over savings. So we have C-level support for AI. So we have high AI adoption, medium AI adoptions, and low AI adoptions in various sectors, which we have. Thank you for watching this video, and you can catch me on your next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.